To start off this look, I'm going to be using my NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation in shade Santa Fe. Kitty, hi. This is my other kitty. Hi, baby. His name is Goku. This is Raven's brother. Oh, yeah. I'm going out tonight. It's my boyfriend's mom's birthday today, so we're going out tonight. But this look is for Valentine's Day, but I'm gonna use it today anyways. Hey folks.
Subscribe to my sister's channel.
She's gonna be my camera woman. Her name is Nicole Pajes. Ooh. Moving on, we're gonna be using concealer, the Tarte Maracuja one, and then the Maybelline Lumi one. I want to put the second one right underneath this to brighten. I'm going to put it on my forehead. And I put the concealer on and just dab it in with my beauty blender. Whatever excess I have, I'm going to take some eyelid. Good. So I got my foundation, I got my concealer on. Let's set everything. Oh no, just kidding. We're gonna contour today since I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna have my foundation on for a really long time. I'm gonna take this contour. It's really a foundation stick. It's the Fit Me Shine Free and Balance from Maybelline, and it looks like this. I'm using it in the shade 330 so I can contour with it. I'm gonna take this from my ear halfway down and cup it upwards just a little bit to give my cheek more dimension. The same thing with this side, and bring it here and here on the temples of my face, and still a little nose contour, but for this I gotta look down. Oops. Ah. Put it on the front.
Look at those palm trees there.
I finished my face base, so now I'm gonna set everything with the Fit Me Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder. For contour, I'm gonna use the Hula Benefit bronzer. I've hit pan on it. I need to get a new one. I was gonna do the face though. I'm gonna brush off my bakage with this little brush. Put it on my face. Look a little crusty. Moving on, I'm gonna do my eyebrows with my brow shaping kit. I knew the name this time. I'm getting better at this. Face first. Let's just run that. I'm gonna use the Tarte Party Blush. Looks like this.
No.
This is my mom Beauty, and it's her birthday today. Birthday. Happy birthday. Thank you.
And this is my...
Moving on to my eyes, I'm gonna be using this Morphe 350 palette. It's so pretty.
Look at those palm trees
So
there.
pretty. I'm gonna be using this color right here for my whole eyelid. I'm going to be using this shade right here on the crease of my eye. And I'm going to be using this color right in the crease, or the eye socket. Right in the eye socket. I'm going to be taking my BH Cosmetics Blush Neutrals. so I can diffuse this color out a little bit because this one's a little more dull. I'm gonna just put that right on top of this color. From the BH Cosmetics palette, I'm going to be taking this really pink tone right here, and I'm going to be putting it even higher on top of both of those colors. And now I'm going to be taking this color a little bit down here, and then into the middle socket here. To deepen up my eye, I'm going to take the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette that looks like this, and I'm going to be taking this purpley shade that I have right here. I'm going to put that color here, and then just brush it slightly across the crease. Is anyone super excited for Valentine's Day? I'm so excited for Valentine's Day. You're excited for Valentine's Day? Let me take this. For the inner portion of my eye, I'm going to take a smaller brush to get right in this little crease. There we go. This is a really all out there Valentine's Day look. Lots of colors. If you're trying to be bold. Okay, now I'm going to clean up my eye look. I'm going to clean up my eyebrow, and then I'm going to make a crease here like a halo going down my eyeballs. I'm going to just take a little bit of the concealer, the Maracuja concealer. I'm going to clean up my eyebrow first. I'm going to take the concealer and just bring it underneath. From the Carli Bybel and BH Cosmetic palette, I'm going to be using the shade, this one right here, to highlight underneath my brow and my inner corners. Now I'm going to be taking the concealer again, and I'm going to do the halo to both my eyes. Going back into the Morphe 350 palette, I'm going to be going into the two shimmery shades. I'm going to be going into this shimmery shade for the upper portion of my lid, and then the lower portion of my lid will have this color right from the lower portion all the way to the top. Now that I put that in, I'm going to be using the other side, actually use this one to put in the lighter shade that I showed you guys in the beginning, right above that shade. Right above it, just like that. Looks so weird right now. So I'm going to take a clean brush on top of it, and I'm literally just going to take it and blend, use both those colors together so that they don't look so weird. From the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, I'm going to be taking the purple shade again to diffuse the edges. Light touches. I have these Profusion metallic eye pigments, and I think I'm going to put this right on top of everything. This is what I put on my cold eyes. I'm just going to be Make it more vibrant, more Valentine's Day, you know? I'm going to be using the Maybelline Curvatured eyeliner. I think that's what it's called, or link it below, if anything. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Vegas Nay Lash by Elore. It looks like this, and I'm doing this off camera. Ta-da! Done. That took me literally 500 hours to do. I never use lashes, but these are pretty. I feel like I'm going to fly away. To go with my eyelashes, I'm going to be using the Big Shot Maybelline Mascara. It's my absolute favorite. Moving on to my lower lash line, I'm going to be taking a little pencil brush like this. And I'm going to take first the color that we used from the 305 palette. This one right here. And I'm going to put it all underneath my eyes. Take it from the outer portion all the way to the inner portion. Bottom lash line. I'm going to take the purple and put it on the bottom of the lash line really close. I'm going to go back into the 350 palette from Morphe and use both the shimmery shades, this one and this one, on the lower portion of my eye, right in the middle, so it matches the top halo. You know? You know? Ooh, that looks banging. I'm gonna coat it with mascara off camera and I'll be right back. I'm gonna be using a NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil to line the inner portion of my eye right in here. With the Carli bybel palette, I'm gonna be going back into the shade that I used to highlight my eyebrow and just put it straight in here. Taking this color right here, the same color, and I'm going to be using that as a highlighter.
Look at those palm trees dance.
I'm going to take some on the point of my nose. I'm going to bring it up. Just like that. Keep it low. I'm going to be taking this color right here, the tiniest little amount, because it has sparkles in it. And I want to be very sparkly today. On Valentine's Day, I'm going to be very, very sparkly. And I'm just going to brush it ever so slightly, blend it into my face.
I'm going to be taking the melted matte from Too Faced and putting it all on the lips.
To finish off the look, I'm going to be using my MAC Prep and Prime and just spraying it all over my face. I hope that you guys like the finished look. This is it right here. Really pretty colors. I love this look. This is probably the look that I'm going to be wearing on Valentine's Day. Hopefully I can show you guys in my outfit. I want to make one more look before Valentine's Day for you guys to see.
Bye guys, and confetti party.
Hey.
Confetti right here.
Subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye, YouTube.